Thailand has joined the United States in creating new cryptocurrency regulation, which is not supposed to suppress cryptocurrency, in fact, boost the crypto economy. Yes, the United States under Trump radically changed its crypto policy. In fact, last week was when legislation to implement stable coins was passed by the US Congress. Thailand, our next door neighbor, has taken the cue from countries like Dubai and Singapore, which are financial and crypto hubs. Crypto, with its up and away prices, its other secrecy and other benefits, cross nation currency status is booming, with this asset class now being recommended by most financial planners along with gold. The universal recommendation is कि एक 15% अपने पैसे गोल्ड या क्रिप्टो में जरूर रखें. At the same time, our Indian government is only trying to regulate and suppress crypto because yes, tax की पकड़ उस पे weak है. Any government will love that, but the foresighted ones. Now see Thailand's example. Thailand already has about 200 billion of crypto holdings in its crypto exchanges. With the new legislation where it expects heavy fund flows with excellent legal framework to protect crypto assets, it's expecting कि 200 billion से Thai holdings of cryptocurrency will touch $1 trillion US. Mind it, that is a full 1/4 of India's entire GDP. इतना पैसा केवल थाईलैंड में क्रिप्टो एसेट का होगा by 2030. What a boost it will give to Thailand as a financial hub. What a boost it will give to shopping and other economic business benefits in Thailand, because even shopkeepers will now accept crypto in Thailand. It will be converted at the back end and they will receive it in baht. But with so much crypto money flooding into Thailand, imagine the next economic boost coming from there. At the same time, it's time for the Indian government also not focus only on its tax revenues, but also consider the capital flows that can come from crypto. Are you listening, FMG?